Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan and our topic would be Golu grows a nose. This is for class 7th and subject is English. Now let's see how to make this format. For previous knowledge what we have to write is what students are already aware of. So students here are aware of different type of stories that they have learned on many different various types of animals including elephant. You can write this or you can skip also. For general aim what we have to write is to develop interest in the topic, to enable the students to read English passage loudly. And for specific objectives what we have to write, students will be able to know the story and they will be able to know new vocabularies and hard word meanings. After that here you can see teaching it. So for teaching it we have to write chart, flex chart, model, chalk, duster, etc. Okay. Now let's turn the page and let's see introduction question. First question what we have to ask to students would be, tell me names of animals that is mostly found in forest or jungle. Student will answer. Yeah, this is giraffe. Okay, so this I have written mistakenly. You can write giraffe, bear, elephant, lion, tiger. After this second question we can ask, name few animals who is big in size. Elephant, giraffe. Student will answer. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant has a trunk. Student will answer. Have you ever heard a fictional story on elephant? Student will answer. Yes, we have kind of heard a lot of stories. Have you heard a fictional story on Golu grows a nose? So it would be problematic. After that we have to say, so to students, today I am going to tell you story how Golu grows a nose. And here you can see objectives and specifications. Here you can see to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. And this is the overall look of our lesson plan you can see here. Okay. After that presentation 1 you can see here. So we have to explain the story properly. From here up to here, first we have to kind of distribute or divide passage into two parts. First part you can see here, you can see hard meanings like this. Okay, we have to tell them hard meanings. After telling story we also have to ask question related to that. How was Golu nose earlier? What did Golu ask to his aunt ostrich? What did Golu ask to Myna bird? What did Golu take for crocodile? And this is the expected answer that we expect from students, you can see here. Okay. Now here you can see blackboard work. So this is hard word, hard meanings you can see here. Okay. Now here you can see what is this? Skills. So after explaining properly, teacher has to with help of any chart or whatever teaching aid she has to once again explain that with that. Teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. Presentation 2 you can see here. Question, what did crocodile do to show that it was real crocodile? This is the answer basically that we expect from students, and this is the blackboard work you can see here. Okay, so this is the overall look of our lesson plan you can see. Okay, so now let's see rest part of presentation 2. Word meaning you can see here, and rest of the question. Who helped Golu on the bank of river? How did Golu get huge trunk? And this is the expected answer that we expect from students, and this is the, you can see, word meaning. Okay. Now here you can see teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. Recapitulation. So for that I have added here 4 questions. Okay, and this is the answers that we expect from students. Let's turn the page and let's see last page of our lesson plan, that is application and evaluation. Here you can see fill in the blanks. So 5 fill in the blanks I have added here. Home assignment you can see. Teacher gives home assignment on rolling board. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic Golu grows a nose. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we will meet in next video, and till then, bye bye and take care.